In this video, you will learn how to change profile picture on Mac. So if you want to change your login screen profile photo on Mac, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to change your profile photo on Mac. In order to change your login screen profile picture on Mac, what you have to do is you have to just go to System Settings. You can go to System Settings by clicking on this System Settings icon in the dock, or you may also go to System Settings by clicking on this Apple icon in the top left corner, and after that you get these options, and among these you have to select System Settings, and that will take you to System Settings of your Mac. Here, in order to change the login screen profile picture on Mac, you have to just scroll until you see users and groups, and once you see that, click on that, and that will show you all the users that are added to your Mac. And here you have to just select the user for which you want to change the profile picture. And once you select that, let's suppose we want to change the profile picture of this user, then we have to just click on this profile icon that we see here. And after that, once you click on that, you will see that this will provide these options, and among these you can change any of the available options as profile picture. Currently you can see we have got emoji here, there is emoji as well, and there is monogram which will just provide the text, and there is camera as well which will allow you to click the picture right away and set that as profile picture for your Mac user. And after that, there is photo option as well, from where you can select your photos that you have available in your photo library on Mac. And after that, there are other suggestions as well that you can set as profile picture for your Mac user. So as you can see, we have got multiple options here, and we may select any of the available options, and once that is selected, you have to just click on save. And by the way, you may also use this option to zoom in if you want to make it like this, and customize it as per your preference. And once that is done, click on save, and that will change the login screen photo on your Mac. So this way you may change the login screen profile photo on your Mac. If I show you here by going to lock screen, you will notice that the profile photo has changed now. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to add a new user on Mac, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.